Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about what I did for my final project in Introduction to Web Development class or INF250. I made a guide that includes my personal opinions and suggestions for one of my favorite games to play called Valorant. It's a first-person shooter game developed by Riot Games. Before I dive into the content, I just wanted to tell everyone that for the web pages, I sorta reused and modified some of the codes from my previous hands-on exercises and case studies from the class, and also with a bit of experience and knowledge of HTML and CSS. I tried testing different values for different elements, classes, and IDs in order to get all of this. For the content, I have a page dedicated to reviewing the agents in the game, another towards reviewing the maps, and a page containing tier lists where I rank both the agents and maps. I rank the agents in terms of how useful they are to a team, and I rank the maps based on how fun and well made they are. I try to be a bit funny in my reviews, but I don't think it'll make anyone laugh. Anyways, for the homepage, I did not edit much of it since the rough draft. I only modified the agent's icons in the image gallery right here to display each agent's names when hovered over. Also, here is the section where I plan to put the video that I am recording right now. For the agents page, I made a few reviews in a data table for some agents only because the game has like 23 agents and I don't think I can review all of them in time. Uh, I think I have spent more than 30 hours now trying to finish this project. I might finish all of them in the future when I've learned JavaScript. And below the review table are the image galleries for the different agents categorized into their respective roles. In order to view the other agents, you can scroll horizontally like this. Can also scroll backwards. If you are wondering where I got the images from, I got them from Wikipedia. The maps page is quite similar to the agents page, except for that it doesn't have the image galleries like the agents page. It's just a data table containing pictures of the maps, like wallpapers of the maps that you would see when you're entering a game. And there are many maps just in case viewers want to see the layouts of each map. Also, there are 10 maps right now in Valorant, and I could only review 4 for the time being. For the tier list page, I tried to replicate the layout of the tier list table that we often see online, and I have replicated it using grids. The images are flexible, but they do not look good once the display is way below the 600 mark. Let me show you. So once this is like below 600, or what we would call the small display, This is the medium display right here, and this is the small display. As you can see, the images you can sort of see them, but they don't look as good when they're in full display. This is the suggestion page where viewers can input their suggestions about my website. There is a form that the viewers have to fill out, and every field is required. I tried to implement a minimum of 5 different elements, including the labels, the text area, select date, and email input types, and all of that stuff. And I hope that I met that requirement. So this form right here, I use the PHP file from um, the case studies in our textbook. And I would like to say that thank you for watching my video about my final project. I honestly feel like this is not one of my best work, but I wish I would have had more time. But for now, this is the best I could do. Finally, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Ronald Roth for hosting us this semester. I hope everyone learned a lot from this class and hope to see you all again soon.